Hey there friends, I'm doing an unboxing on this Mubview two-way smart video doorbell. Features mobile app, 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, motion sensor, voice changer, weatherproof, battery powered, day-night, two-way talk. I believe it has a 7-day loop, unlimited free cloud service as well, so that's pretty cool. A lot of these, the doorbells are free, but then you have to pay for the service, and it just, you know, it's nice addition definitely for like a free. Don't have to get that, and you can access the cloud within 7 days. So that's really cool. This is beneficial. All right, so here is the doorbell here. And it just has a little charging port here on the side. I think it features a couple of cameras on here, as well as the button there. I'm going to go ahead and be setting this up as well. Okay, so here is, I believe, the indoor device. And so we have the user manual, and then tools and things right here for the install. So I believe this portion will slide off. I might actually have to look at the instructions to see how I get this off of there. So that is that. All right, my friends. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I install this and get this all set up. Okay, my friends. So here we are. In order to get the back of the case off here, do we want to install? Just press this button in there. It should release that. Once that's released, that just comes off. So we're going to attach this on there, and then we're going to put the camera on. Okay, so now that that is done, I used a little bit bigger screws than they gave me. The ones I had in my old one here. So I'm going to see. I kind of want this at an angle too, but this doesn't have, I have my old one right here. I wonder if I could just kind of put this at an angle where my screws are. And that way it would have a little bit of a different view here, but I think we're good. I think I'll just stick it on there like this, and we'll be all right. Okay. Oh, right. I'm just gonna put a level here too, so make sure that when I get this in there, we don't have any issues with it looking kind of weird because it's not level. So we can get one screw going here, and then I can level it off with this one here. Right, that looks good right there. Probably should have got this bottom one in first, and then I could level it off the top, but that's fine. All right, that seems pretty solid. Now this just pushes that in, and that snaps into place. Okay, looks pretty good. Press our doorbell. And then that comes up on my app here real quick. I'm gonna just demonstrate this, guys. I can show you that. But pretty easy install. App is super easy to install. I'm going to show you the app now real quick. Okay, friends, so here we are, and here I am on my front porch. And even though this is kind of flat, it still shows like a good amount of my whole porch here, so I'm pretty happy with that. The intercom works pretty good here too when I push the doorbell button. So you press the doorbell. That rings on my phone. I can see what's going on here. I can hang up here. Here we are on the app right now. Okay, sorry. I was getting some feedback there, but you have the intercom, you take a screenshot, you do the sound, you put in a SD card, and you go to history, and you can show what's on there and where it is on that you want. So there, there I am, like looking at the thing. So I'll just put a plug and play at a 256 gigabyte SD card in here. So that's gonna save all your stuff on there. That's pretty cool. And you also have the cloud too if you want to. So works pretty great. The install was super easy. Looks nice. I'm gonna just show you guys the doorbell on the inside real quick. All right, here's the doorbell. To sync it, I just simply hit this button there, the little options one, and then press that, and it's synced up right away. No issues at all. So press the doorbell, and this chimes. Everything chimes, then it comes up on my thing. Also have a visitor, and I can either talk to them on this or whatever I want to do. So really cool, easy to set up. So far, no issues at all. Working great. You can adjust the volume of this right here on the side. And different chimes on there. So pretty cool. Anyways, my friends, thanks for watching this video. I hope it's helpful. Have a great day, and I will see you all next time.